Quesadillas. It's cheesy, it's buttery, it's flaky, it's everybody's favorite snack or dinner. And today we're doing the TikTok tortilla hack. It's a special way of stacking all your ingredients. I don't know why I didn't do it before. There are some special tricks I'm gonna teach you, so stay tuned, but let's get right into the ingredients. So of course, I'm gonna be using a flour tortilla. You can use corn tortilla if you want. For the butter, it's a must. This is gonna give you that golden crust that is so delicious and looks so good. Also for the cheese, I'm just using a Mexican shredded cheese along with some mozzarella. For the ingredients I'm stuffing this quesadilla with, I've got my vegetables, which is spinach and avocados. Of course, you can substitute whatever you want. Additionally, I've got the protein, shredded chicken, and some bell peppers and onions, which I sauteed together. This is gonna be super delicious. Now, with the ingredients, you can swap out whatever you want, obviously, but I'm gonna show you a technique so that you don't overcook the vegetables. Next up are the tools. We're gonna be using a cast iron griddle. If you've got a frying pan with a heavy bottom, that'll work too. Also, you're gonna want something to press your quesadilla down with. I'm using a pot lid. You can also use a burger press. Last but not least, a spatula. That's just gonna help you flip your quesadilla. We're gonna go ahead and start assembling our quesadillas, but before that, make sure you have your cast iron pan or frying pan nice and warmed up, so let's get cooking. First is the assembly. Lay out your tortilla and then slice it from the center out once. This score is gonna let you fold this and do that TikTok tortilla hack. Now you're gonna assemble your quesadilla based off of 4 sections. Section 1 and 2 are for ingredients you don't want too cooked, like vegetables and avocados. Section 3 and 4 will be most cooked and exposed to more heat. So that's where you're gonna put your proteins and maybe a little extra cheese. Lay out a small amount of cheese on all 4 sections. Then you're gonna add your additional ingredients. I'm gonna add spinach and avocados to the first 2 sections. Then I'll add my onions, peppers to section 3. Finally, adding the chicken to the last part. Sprinkle that last layer of cheese on all sections and you're ready for the fold. For this part, it's super easy. Take section 1, fold it up once, then you're gonna fold it over a second time and then a third time down. This is gonna make it so that it's perfectly stacked and you're ready to cook. Once your pan is nice and warmed up, add a little bit of butter and melt it right on there. Go ahead and add your quesadilla right where the melted butter is and press with your lid. Use your press or cover and add some pressure and cook your quesadilla for about 3 to 4 minutes. Go ahead and flip and replace the lid again. This is going to be done in about 5 to 6 minutes and it doesn't take very long. There you go, the TikTok tortilla hack. What I love about it is it makes it delicious, but it doesn't overcook the vegetables that are in the middle. So definitely try it out. Let me know what are your favorite ingredients when it comes to quesadillas in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. Whew. I don't think there's gonna be enough for you, Chris. Or you, Julie. Seriously.